damn it, Bobby. You're 41 years old. And you're still playing with dolls. Well, I don't want our neighbors thinking that you're some kind of...
Alright, Dad, but you're gonna get cancelled.
Now that's enough. Now I knew that Instagram was gonna turn you queer, but I wasn't expecting...
My dad used to punish me by telling me I was a girl. Congratulations, Hank. Now your life is finally perfect.
Well, I like to watch this show because it's got strong moral foundations. You go, oh boy, am I hungry. I wonder what's in the fridge.
We're the Fridge Friends. We're always there for you when you need the Fridge Friends, when you're hungry and you want to eat some stuff.
Oh wow, look, the food is alive. I wasn't expecting that to happen. Yeah.
Hey, pal, you should eat us. Yes, eat us. You're hungry, aren't you? Eat.
I just realized I'm in hell.
We have a song we could sing. It goes a little something like this. Bop, 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 bop. We are the Fridge Friends. We don't have many friends because they're all dead.
That's no more of that, please.
You should start by eating me.
Well, I don't know. I mean,
I'm Mayor Butterbutts. Put your finger up my butterbutt.
Mayor Butterbutt's a sexual deviant, and I don't like the company of Mayor Butterbutt. I better pick something out. I'm gonna eat something because I'm starving.
3 days later.
Man, you're getting fat. Don't you dare fat shame me. I'm a voluptuous.
No, I mean, I don't give a rat's ass. I'm just worried about your health.
All this arguing is making me hungry. I gotta go meet the Fridge Friends.
The fuck are the Fridge Friends?
I'm Mayor Butterbutt.
No, Mayor Butterbutt. I'm not doing the finger in your butterbum.
Eat me.
No, Fridge Friends. I really shouldn't keep eating all of you. I am gaining a lot of weight.
Eat me.
Eat me.
All right. Well, I mean, maybe just you.
3 weeks later.
Alright, yeah, there's something definitely wrong here.
You know what? You can't talk to me that way. You know, I've taken a lot of crap from you all these years, and I don't need to take that crap.
But the film is a saddening bore, for she's lived it 10 times or more. She can spit in the eyes of fools as they ask her to focus on sailors fighting in the dance hall. Oh man, look at those cavemen go. It's a freaking show. Take a look at that old man beating up the wrong guy. Oh man, wonder if he'll ever know. He's in the best section.
Hey, cirrhosis. Wake up. Wake up. Hey.
Oh, man. Alright. Wowee, everyone. I know it's been a while, and I'm really sorry about that. I've been in the process of moving and getting a lot of stuff done, and it's just been hard for me to get anything done these days between work and, like I said, the move. But I'm back, and I will be creating content again on a semi-regular basis. I just feel really bad. This is actually an episode that has been, well, that was actually started, I'd say probably 2 months ago, but I just finally got around to finishing it. So again, I'm really sorry about that. You guys are very dedicated. So without further ado, I'm going to name all my favorite Patreon members that are here today that stuck through everything and still support me even during my time of absence. Gabriel, Buff Clary, Villicent, Glitter Vulpecula, Andrew Straussba, Marissa, Eugene R. Sano, Jr., Depressed LGBT Kiwi, Melody Young, Vicious Trish, Rattle Rabbit, Nightmind, Sarah, John Cummins, Crafty Andy. I want to thank you all again. Honestly, I couldn't do this without you. I don't rely on YouTube revenue because I really don't get YouTube revenue. So, yeah, without this, I wouldn't be able to do the show, and that's really cool. So thank you all. Thank you. And I will see you all real soon.